Thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin booming because Bitcoin just freaking mooned a couple $1,000s in an instant. We talked about 68% chance this breaks out to the upside. Right here, yesterday's video, this is supposed to break higher. Support held. Remember, this is forming this ascending triangle, which on a macro scale, it's a bullish reversal pattern. 64% chance this whole thing breaks out higher. And that would mean significant price rises out of Bitcoin. Now, again, you had this, we said, if the resistance breaks, 39,500, could see 41,000, 42,000. SPX, stock markets, pre-market's green right now, but just see some type of healthy pullback to let this RSI cool off, MACD as well. You've got decreasing volume on increasing price. So some type of pullback and bounce idea for the Bitcoin bulls moves to much higher prices. We're going to talk about the altcoins to watch and how I find them. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person, 5x his money, came in the group with $3,000, has $15,000 now. Banging. This person joined the group a few weeks ago, up 200% in a couple weeks. This person made $460,000 in 2 years in the group. If you're not making a ton of money right now in this market, I can help you. I'll make sure you're in the best, most profitable trading setups. Right now, for a limited time, there's a New Year's special. You get $100 off and 60% off the regular prices. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. It pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Bitcoin dominance looks like it's setting up for a massive move out of Bitcoin. Now, this can take some time to play out, but you've got this rising wedge. If this breaks to the downside, altcoins take off, and you're at some major resistance. However, this parabola Bitcoin is following, where occasionally on the right side of these rounded bottoms, you get these breakouts to the upside, and this would mean a big move out of Bitcoin. It doesn't tell you direction, but you do have a pattern, which potentially Bitcoin keeps putting in higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. So at some point, you couldn't see a massive move out of Bitcoin, but the bulls still have some work to do, obviously. Breaking this $44,500, everything changes when the range high is broken. I mean, if you just pull a measured move here, and this again can take some time to play out, this is not going to happen tomorrow. Measured move target puts it up here about $53,800 if this pattern breaks out. And again, this thing, you just always assume that the price action continues in the pattern until it doesn't. 64% chance that this breaks out to the upside. Bulls take off, much higher prices. So we just see what happens. Could you come down here and retest? Again, of course, you could retest multiple times, right? These are buying opportunities at this point, as long as this holds. If this doesn't hold, then you're looking for a range low, move down to the range low, period. One thing I think you appreciate about this channel is we want more out of life. Life is not about going to work 9 to 5 every day. It's not. I've been there. All my life, I've been there. It's not about working for the man. Whether you think you can do this, trade this market, be successful, or you think you can't, you're right. You have two choices in life. You can make a living or you can design a life. And this takes knowledge and practice and patience in this market. Design a life, and I can help you. Chris, what coins are we watching and why? How do we know this? You go over here to CoinMarketCap, you go under the categories, right? And you can see what market caps are moving and to what percentage. And so if you go down here yesterday, you see that Terra ecosystem, which is Luna, the overall market cap is up 14%. Luna was banging. We had a Luna setup, hit that for some solid gains yesterday, posted it right before Bitcoin move. And also I saw privacy coins up nearly 15%. Privacy coins are moving. Luna Terra ecosystem. So we had the setup for Luna. Luna is very strong, but it's also overbought. If you get some type of pullback on this guy, an upside continuation, I mean, Luna is about, just think about what this market's been doing. All these altcoins getting completely crushed. This is the all-time high of Luna, $101. If Luna, and Luna's testing it, when Luna breaks this level, and again, it might take some time and a couple more attempts, but when this happens, breakout retest, price discovery, you can see much higher prices out of Luna. Keep an eye on this one. It's doing everything different than what the other altcoins are doing. KNC, Kyber Network, is also extremely strong. Biden issues the long-awaited executive order on crypto. Here it is. This is it. Big news today. The takeaway. Joe Biden signed a first-of-its-kind executive order on cryptocurrencies directing federal agencies to coordinate their approach to the sector. Okay, guys, let's get started. It's been around forever. We'll just take a look at it. The executive order did not lay out specific positions. The administration wants agencies to adopt or impose new regulations on the sector. It's time to get started now. Apparently, Bitcoin's a thing. One part of the order is going to direct the Treasury Department to create a report on the future of money. I think we're already there yet, guys. Might want to catch up, including how the current financial system might not meet consumer needs. Listen, I was trying to pay a bill just for the long company. And I call them up and I'm just going, I can't even pay with a card online. And then they're going to charge me 3% to pay with a card by phone, and she's writing down the number. And I'm thinking, how archaic is this? Anyways, the most important thing is this executive order has been signed. They're going to look into it. They're going to come up with some ideas. Things are going to change, but they want digital assets to provide the opportunities to American innovation and competitiveness and to promote financial inclusion. Innovation is central to America's story and our economy. It generates jobs and opportunities and sustains our global competitive edge and leadership. You guys are behind. Please note, Janet Yellen came out with a statement on President Biden's executive order. Biden is looking to address risk related to illicit finance, protecting consumers and investors, preventing threats to the financial system and the broader economy. They're also going to bring in the Financial Stability Oversight Council to evaluate potential financial stability risks. And they're also going to take a close look at one particular kind of asset, stable coins, and make recommendations. Here it is. A whole lot of, let's figure this out, is basically what they're saying. Hey, let's do a little bit of work on this. Let's get serious about this, boys. Let's get serious. That's where it's at. So if you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.